Lenny is going crazy. But now he stops. I'm telling you, this bird is crazy. It's been at least 36 minutes. He usually doesn't do this for like 36 minutes. Crazy. Skateboard was just sitting here for a whole minute blocking me from making my right. Like, what the fuck is it? Oh my gosh. What the hell?
Our 2-week treatment is backed up with a lifetime guarantee and is 100%.
I've had the worst headache for the last 20 hours or maybe 24 hours. I don't know what's going on, except for I did feel like it might have something to do with my gallbladder, but I didn't eat any almonds or like foods high in fat, like the things that would make your gallbladder flare up. But I don't know. I don't even really know what's making my gallbladder flare up. It could have something to do with carbs too, maybe. I have something I've been wanting to make that's supposed to help cleanse your gallbladder. Maybe I should do that today. I've got some, I just chopped up some mango. Gonna watch Downhill on HBO. It's with Will Ferrell. I'm not feeling the headache anymore. Oh, I'm finally feeling good again. I like to eat mangoes before they get hard or soft. Like I cut them open while they're still hard. Like, I like a firm mango. And this mango, so good. Oh my gosh, I didn't show you the spicy asparagus I just made. It was so bomb. I put garlic and the spicy peppers, and I made it perfect so when you bite into the asparagus, it still crunches. Now I'm back to drinking this. Oh, and I drank some bone broth. So I'm still trying to cleanse the gallbladder. Now I'm back to drinking my cleanse. This ish is effing nasty. I can't do it. That's as far as I got.